In this movie makes me want to make a point because they're in cars and stuff, and it's supposed to be some really snowy situations and stuff, right? So this is the thing. So if you're in a car and you're in a snowstorm, a blizzard like this, and you have to sit still, in order to keep the heat on in your car and run your gas, you have to periodically go outside of your car and dig out the snow from around your exhaust pipe so that the exhaust can go out into the atmosphere and not back into your car. So that's a pro tip, is to periodically get out of your car, dig out the snow that's falling around your car, and then get back in. Like, I wouldn't do it frequently, but as frequently as you would need to, depending on the snow that's falling, so that you can still have the heat on in your car. Anyways,